So this is a breakdown. We are changing brake pads for a Toyota Coaster. So started by removing the tire, loosening all the wheel nuts, loosening the wheel nuts. Then we have the bolts, these 12 bolts and the 17 millimeter bolt here. And you also have to loosen this 12 millimeter bolt so that this pipe will be flexible and you won't break it. If this pipe breaks, if it's tight here, this brake caliper will move downwards. So we are changing the brakes. This is a midnight session, a night shift thing. So these are the how the worn-out brake shoes were like. The driver used it very, very well. So these are the new brake pads. These ones, we have the new brake pads from Safeline Zimbabwe. So these are the brake pads we have. We are replacing with the new ones. These are the new brake pads which we are having. So we replaced with the new brake pads. This one, the new brake pads, you see. Then you push this inside. You push them inside, then you close the caliper.